From lost treasures and forgotten places, all the way to Sasquatch, we're finding Alabama.
Hey guys, me and Corey out in the middle of nowhere, Newside, Alabama today. He done got us a good spot. We're gonna see if we can find something. Y'all stick around. This is that old barn across the road. Y'all check out that old hand forge locking mechanism and that old sleigh maker right there. Very cool. Very cool. Corey and Lexi done hit this, but we're gonna hit it again.
Lots of targets.
Pretty cool spot today.
Yes, ma'am.
That's about an 83, either a dime or a penny.
Here, moss.
Yes, sir.
Right
Oop,
there.
right on it. Be lovely with the moss. Love the moss.
We'll try.
Ah, perfect dig.
There we go.
Perfect dig. What you
You
got?
can't even tell that. It's a penny. Oh, well, yeah. I know it's a dime. It's a dime.
It's a dime. Modern dime.
Yes.
We're going to get one. We're going to get to some silver in a minute. Here's what we're hunting in today. Just give it a listen.
Nothing but iron. You want some dirt with that iron?
I want some silver with mine. That's a nice dime signal. And it's not very deep, Corey. Let's see what you got. Ooh. It ain't very deep. The old lesh out.
Yes. Uh-oh.
Hit your button one quick press while it's on the ground. Okay. I think it's maybe a little deeper. Let me get, there she is, look. It done popped out.
Yeah. There you go.
What is it?
Just a dime.
Yeah, it's a dime.
Yep.
Maybe there'll be a silver one in here too.
Not that, whatever it is.
Something bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, cool, dude. I don't know, it just died. I hope it got that last part. But this is a cool tractor.
It says the wheels on it, Jerry.
Very cool. Here, let me give her a scrub with this plastic brush.
You better record it.
It's metal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on a new camera today, y'all. Not that I don't like my GoPro, because I do. I needed an extra one. And check that out, guys.
Still got its wheels on it.
How cool is that? That's gonna clean up real nice once you get all them windows cleaned out. Nice. All right, guys, it was a real short one today, but we got this really cool bulldozer, man. You got to clean that up really good. And the boat motor, I think, is even cooler because, wow. And then, you know, we got a little change, had us a good time out with the T2. We'd use the F75 a little bit, but not much. And we're glad you joined us. Please hit the like and subscribe button. And we're finding Alabama, and we'll see you next time.